Have you ever sat in a virtual meeting where you couldn't hear half of the people talking? Well, it will interest you to know that background noise, weak microphones and poor audio quality can make or break a professional discussion. And the worst part, you leave the meeting feeling just as confused as when you started. So, whether you are a business executive, a teacher giving an online lecture, or a freelancer managing client calls, you need an audio solution that ensures your voice is heard clearly, professionally, and without distractions. Hello and welcome back to my channel Techinsight with Ike. In this video, you will know why EMEET Luna, Jabra Speak 750 and Anker PowerConf S3 are game changers. These three conference speakers are absolute game changers, each bringing premium quality audio, advanced noise cancellation, and professional grade clarity to your meetings, lectures, and collaborations. But which one is right for you? Amazingly, most people rely on built-in laptop microphones, but here's the truth. They aren't designed for professional conversations. Poor sound pickup, lack of noise cancellation, and uneven voice levels make virtual meetings feel more like guesswork than actual communication. That's where these three powerhouse speakers step in, giving you studio quality sound, crystal clear conversations, and zero interruptions. Let's get started. First up, the EMEET Luna, a high-performance yet budget-friendly conference speaker that redefines affordable professional communication. Features: 360 voice pickup. It ensures everyone in the room is heard clearly. Voice AI noise reduction. Blocks out distraction sounds like echoes, typing, and air conditioning. Daisy chain support. Connects two Luna speakers for larger meeting rooms up to 16 attendees. Multiple connectivity options. Works via USB, Bluetooth, auxiliary, or dongle for effortless setup. Compact and portable. It's perfect for teachers, freelancers, and business professionals on the go. At only $69.99 on Amazon, the EMEET Luna is an unbelievable value that proves you don't have to spend big for big results. Next, the Jabra Speak 750, built for enterprise-level meetings where professionalism is key. Features: full duplex audio, allows two-way conversations without interruptions, advanced DSP noise cancellation, professional-grade filtering for perfect clarity, enterprise-level performance, is ideal for boardrooms, webinars, and high-level presentations. Seamless Bluetooth and USB connectivity, works effortlessly across Microsoft Teams and Zoom, with its premium build and high-end clarity. The $199.99 price tag is justified for business executives who demand perfection. Last but not the least, the Anker PowerConf S3, a conference speaker designed for remote workers, freelancers, and mobile professionals who need long-lasting performance and flexibility. Feature highlights: smart voice enhancement. It has an AI-powered clarity for perfectly crisp conversations. 24-hour battery life, the longest-lasting speaker for extended work sessions. Compact and travel-friendly. Its lightweight design, perfect for digital nomads. USB-C fast charging. Get hours of power in minutes. At $99.99, the Anker PowerConf S3 is the ultimate choice for mobile professionals who need flawless communication wherever they go. So, which one is right for you? If you want affordable premium sound, go for EMEET Luna. Need enterprise-level audio clarity? Choose Jabra Speak 750. Want long-lasting battery and portability? The Anker PowerConf S3 is your best bet. What's your pick? Let us know in the comments. Now that you have known all the powerful qualities of these conference speakers, the one to go for largely depends on your budget and need. The links are in the description below in case you wish to order any of them from Amazon. If this video has really impacted you, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Hit the notification bell so that YouTube will always notify you when I upload a new video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.